Hello and welcome back. We are in the farmstead and I've had a look around already and I placed things where they're sitting in the living room, and I've also searched the kitchen. There wasn't that much here really, but not bad for drinks and water, and a lamp and some maple syrup. And I've done a little bit repairing on my tune there. So you see she's warm and rested and slaked, so she's okay. Clothing wise, I was thinking of actually repairing these now, but the actions for that is that we need cloth and a cured leather. We have a cured leather there, but we don't have the cloth, so we're going to be doing that at some point. If you can see, her warmth bonus is 25%, so that's quite good. 25 Fahrenheit, I beg. And also we found some trousers, and I decided to repair the new Mariner's pea coat, which gives her some really nice warmth there. But it is 75% wet, which means we're going to have to burn a fire just to keep warm a couple of times until it dries out. And the trousers were new as well. I did repair the trousers as well. Right, so I said I was going to show you the bottom cellar in the house, so let's go and do that, and then I may decide to go to the other outpost that I showed you on the mountain if we've got a bit of time. So let's go. This leads out of the house actually. That I'll have to show you that as well. We'll probably leave from this door.
I think I can use this. I'll take it. Hope nobody needs this anymore.
Okay, so we are going to leave at this entrance, but we're going to come back into the farmstead and drop off all the things that we've actually picked up, so that our bag is not so heavy. And there's a bit of a blizzard now, so that's where we've just come out from, the bottom cellar, so you can come out this entrance as well, and we'll go around and back into the house. Alright then, so I've already checked the kitchen out. I found some dog food as well. So let's just drop the items that we've picked up from the cellar, which were the dusting sulfur, a chemical compound sometimes used as pesticide, could be useful when crafting ammunition. So that's obviously to make bullets. We're going to leave that behind. We're going to leave the flare behind as well. We're going to leave the jerry can, but before we do that, I think we better fill our lamp. I'm going to drop those. And drop that. We've got a lot of water purification tablets. We don't really need all of those. Drop those as well. Okay, and the matches, because I think we have got matches somewhere, haven't we? Let's just take a look at the matches. Yeah, we've got 19. Drop those. And the book we don't need. So the backpack is still quite heavy, but what we're going to do is harvest those. And we're going to repair our boots. Let's go to our boots. Should have cloth. Oh, and we picked up those. Let's drop those. Let's repair the boots now if we can. Let's failed the first time. No, it's saying it's 92%, which is nice. We still need another cloth. We've got enough cured leather, and I think we should. So trying to find some more cloth. What is the boots giving us? Yes, move from 25 to 29. That's really nice. Okay, let's find some cloth. Yes, even the curtains can behave like cloth, so we can have that. And hopefully, let's repair. Let's see where it goes to. Failed. We need a bit more cured leather. So those boots that I dropped, let's go and get those. Yeah, we'll do it with the boots. I'm sure there was something else. I just thought there was something else. Let's put the, what's that? The water purification tablets. We will pick up these things after, not just now. What that up here? And the gloves. Matches. And the book. Okay, let's harvest those boots. And repair. That's lovely, 100%. Now let's have a look. 29, that's nice, warmth bonus. And we've got some nice protection, 21%. And when we sprint, 84. That's really nice. That's a really nice pair of boots, I have to say that. And I did repair the mariner's coat as well. This we had as well, which is actually, it's saying it's a new windbreaker, cheap nylon outer layer that's good for blocking wind. Now that's not bad. That's actually not bad. I think we should take this one off and perhaps put this one on and repair it. Yep, I think we'll do that. It blocks out the wind. And we will drop this one here. Yeah, we need to repair that at some point, which we will probably do. So I like that. Now, oh no, we have to pick that back up. I'm sorry. No, we have to drop that. That is no good. The coat was better. The ski jacket was better. So we'll put that back on. the warmth bonus went down a lot then, so yeah, that's back to north. Okay, so we're not going to actually do anything with that. I mean, not just now anyway. Right, I'm going to leave it there, and when I come back, I'm going to try and take you to the outpost, which is above the mountain, hopefully if the blizzard settles down. So I will see you soon.